bit of snow. Something. It's February. Now tell me how something. I don't even think I'm gonna get to the driveways today. They probably won't need it by the time the sun comes up. It's like 4 now. But might do some driveways. Let's see. Let's see what we got going on. But they said 1 to 3 tonight, and they've been wrong about every single snow event this winter. So we thought like a dusting, a couple flurries, and we probably got close to 3. This parking lot looks like it's like 1.5, 2 maybe. Place I just came from, it's a little bit further from the ocean. They got 3. This is like 4th property I've been to.